Okay, love, so I'm just going to briefly tell you where the items came from that I have going on in my living room right now. So I did this yellow during the summer and I really loved it. So I decided to do it for the fall. You've already seen, let me start with the coffee table. So the picks that you see in here, you saw during the summer, they actually came from Michaels. And they're actually spring florals, except for the darker mustard looking color. I think, yeah, this also came from Michaels. And, but this is actually a fall pick, I think. But this one is actually a spring pick. You know what? I'm wrong. I am so wrong. This yellow here actually came from Pier 1 because I remember the Pier 1, they had that baby powder looking blue color and they had the yellow. Yeah, this came from Pier 1 and this came from Michaels. Don't quote me on that, but I think this came from Michaels. My vase that you see, so the vase that you see actually came from this store called NYC Lifestyle here in Houston. The pumpkin here, this is a DIY pumpkin. I actually made it out of a toilet paper spool. And I took one of the, last year, Burlington had some really pretty pumpkins, some white pumpkins with some gold glitter around it. The pumpkins actually changed colors, and I didn't like the color they turned. So I took the leaf off the pumpkin and stuck it in this one. And this fabric actually came from Joann's Fabric. The tray came from Z Gallerie. My candle holders from Bath & Body Works. The candles that you see here actually came from Pier 1 many years ago. My coffee table came from Rooms to Go. Then I have this leaf under here. This came from Home Goods. Acorns from Hobby Lobby. Pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. My rug actually came from a Bonnie Rugs. I will leave the link below. If you use the code HOMEBODY with Felisa, you can get this rug or any rug 40% off. Okay, love. So you may hear the ice cream truck. It's at, what time is it? I think it's around almost 8 o'clock and the ice cream truck is running. But so let's move over here. End tables from Rooms to Go. The silver vase from Home Goods. The other pumpkin from Hobby Lobby. My lamps came from Z Gallerie. My mirror from Z Gallerie. My accent chair came from Pier 1. The pillow that's on the accent chair came from Z Gallerie, and the mustard yellow looking throw is actually some fabric that I purchased from Joann's Fabric. It was $10. So that was really cute. It was regular 20, then they had a coupon, so I ended up paying like $10 for that fabric. The owls here at the bottom of this coffee table came from Z Gallerie. My coasters came from Home Goods. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about the ginger jar. That ginger jar that you see back there actually came from Home Goods. It was an awesome find. And then I just have a curtain tie back that I actually picked up from Tuesday morning some time ago. The yellow pillow on this end over here came from TJ Maxx online. The white pillow in the middle is actually just a cover that I put over one of my teal pillows. And if you notice, let me show you. And I thought this was really cute because I put that, it's a suede white pillow cover. And I like the way that that gold square is showing in between there. It makes it look like it's a part of the pillow. So that was a really good idea. And then the Greek key is a DIY that I did. I showed you guys in a video. I basically had my daughter to make me some Greek key vinyl, and I just ironed it on the actual pillow itself. And it came out really cute. I love this. I did a couple of colors. And the wall art here on the wall, let me make this smaller. The wall art came from Home Goods. And the sconces on the wall came from Z Gallerie, but I haven't seen them in a while. If I ever see them again, I'm going to grab me a gold set because my sister-in-law have a gold set and they're really cute. My couch came from Rooms to Go. Same thing over here on the other side. Okay, love, so it's getting dark and I did this video while it was getting dark on purpose so I can show you how the room looks when I turn all the lights off. You know, I'm a lights off person. So this sunflower here came from Hobby Lobby, and here's some more of those Pier 1 picks. This smaller ginger jar here came from Tuesday Morning. It was a great steal. I think it was either $29 or $39. This accent table here came from At Home. And my drapes, I always say I love these drapes. I want to find another set. They came from Home Goods because I want to take my drapes all the way to the ceiling, but I want to find another set. So my chandelier actually came from Z Gallerie. I got that on a really good sale price. So that sums up this room. If you have any other questions, if I missed anything, just let me know. I didn't decorate the other side of my room with this color. I still have my silver and aqua on the other side. It still looks pretty with the two colors on the opposite sides of the room. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired someone. If you're interested in using this mustard yellow and white with your silver tones, you can even throw in some gold, as I did there and as I did on those pillows at the back. So that's the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.